Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Paul Nyaratso. In this video today I'll be showing you the basic settings to bandicam. So if it's your first time you're visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable notification. So what you do, start away the settings of bandicam. So this is the bandicam screen. So first make sure that you're recording the video, this screen recording mode. The first one here, this game. Let me indicate it for you. So this one here is game mode, then this one, the second one here, is now the recorder for the screen. So first go to the video, then settings. So if you are adding a microphone, so guys, if you're using a laptop or a desktop, then you want to enable the webcam. So what you do, just click here on the webcam. If you have a camera, then click on add webcam overlay, then you specify the settings for the webcam, this point, then the way you want it to appear. So this is just the positions that you want it to appear. So in my case, you don't have a camera, so just uncheck that box, then logo over here. So if you have your logo, you can go browse, then select your logo. But in this case, it's just the default logo will be the one for bandicam. So if you have your own logo, you can add it to your video. Then effects, this is now the mouse click. You can change the color of the mouse click, or just leave it blank. Then again come to options, recording priority, choose according to your preference. So they're back here, have primary sound and secondary sound. So if you want to add a microphone, then you click here, this drop down arrow, then the microphone, you enable the settings, then click on settings over here. So this is the microphone here. So you can choose to reduce the volume, or add the volume from here, then the microphone to boost, so you can hear the voice added. So what you do, just according to what will please you. Then again, the sounds and communications, then playback. So just cancel that, come to general, advanced, then have video format. From this point here, you can change your video format, maybe AVI or MP4. So the best for me, I choose MP4. Then here you can choose the quality down here. So that's all about the video formatting settings. Then come back to language. You can select the best language for you. So in my case, just select English. This is a list of languages, so you select the one that pleases you. So then you go to output. Now this is the main thing that you have to get to know. So this is the output, this is the location that your file will be saved. So in my case, I've just saved it in the desktop. So but in your case, if you want to create it another place, so just go the location, maybe create a new folder, or set the specific location to a preference. So again, can come to image. So when using bandicam, you can still record the screen and capture the image. So for down here, you can set the image format, then the output. Now over here, you can see these are list of the output. This is the thing that you have recorded before, so you can just delete them. So in general, these are all about the bandicam. This is the screen, the bandicam screen, and still there are some more features. So when you're using the webcam, you will appear here at this point that I've marked with red. So that's all about the bandicam and have more settings. So if you want to download the bandicam, the link is down in the description. Download the bandicam, then activate it and access the and enjoy recording the video. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and enable notifications. Thank you.